My fries!
That seagull is fast. Look, the ocean, the big wheel.
Stay close, everyone. It is busy here.
And it is windy. Hold your things carefully.
This is perfect. I can take our first LA photo.
Good idea. Hold the strap, Henry.
Wait! Popcorn is looking at snacks again.
Snacks are part of travel. A beautiful day. A windy day. A careful day.
Okay, 1, 2. Henry, the seagull is too close. Hey, my camera! Where is it? I can't find it. It was in my hands. I see a feather. The seagull took it.
Maybe, but let's look carefully first.
Yes. We should not blame too fast.
But my camera is gone.
I know. We will find it together.
I blame the wind. The wind always looks guilty.
Can we ask someone?
Good idea. We ask first, then we check.
Excuse me. Did you see a small red camera?
A red camera?
Yes, it is small. It has a black strap. It is this big.
I saw something red near the bench.
Really? Thank you.
Let's check near the bench.
Red thing. I am ready. Here, under the bench. Oh, it is not my camera.
It's a red toy car.
I thought we found it.
Not yet, but we are looking carefully.
The sand remembers small things.
Tiny road! Tiny road! Why is Popcorn tapping the sand? Maybe he smells snacks.
Wait! Look here.
There is a line in the sand.
It goes this way.
It may be from the camera strap.
My camera has a black strap.
Then we follow the line, slowly.
Stay together, please.
I am detective now.
A good detective walks slowly.
The line stops here. Near the cleaning cart. Is my camera in the trash?
Maybe not. Let's stay calm.
Stop, cart! Important mystery!
Is your cat okay? Yes, thank you. We are looking for a small red camera.
Could you please stop for a minute?
Sure, please stay back. Kids, stay with Mom.
We can look, but we must be safe.
I I see something shiny next to the wheel. Is it the camera?
Sir, could you please help us check? Yes, I will check carefully. Small shine, big hope. Here it is.
My camera!
Thank you so much.
Is it broken?
There is sand on it.
Let's wipe it gently.
The seagull did not take it?
I think the seagull flew close and the camera fell.
So, I blamed the seagull too fast.
It is easy to blame when we are worried.
But we checked carefully. That helped us find the truth.
I am sorry, Seagull. The truth was dusty.
And Henry found it with a careful heart.
The camera still works! Look! There is a photo! Oh, it is blurry.
Let me see.
Everyone is in it.
Popcorn looks funny!
That is my brave face.
A blurry photo can still hold a clear memory.
I wanted a perfect photo.
This one is not perfect.
But it is real.
It is our first LA memory.
Then I want to keep it. Can we take one more photo?
Yes, and this time I will hold the strap.
And I will check carefully.
Good. Everyone, smile.
Popcorn, look at the camera!
I am looking. No snacks this time.
1, 2, 3.
That is a good photo.
Yes, but I still like the first one.
Subscribe to Dr. Purr
And popcorn!
for more stories. See you next time. Bye.